All right, we're going to take a look at putting a RAM ball mount onto the Starlink Mini. This is the standard pipe adapter that comes with the Starlink. They're fairly nicely made. They got a metal liner on the inside. It's got a notch in here that allows the pipe to rest in here, and the clamps it down for when you're pipe mounting it. And we've added a 1/4 hole in there, and that allows us to mount the RAM ball mount on there. And we're basically just going to put that through. That comes in the back, and do it side to side so it's contacting the material. And then there's this little round circle stepping up there, and there's holes in the back there. Just screw that on, and those will pretty much line them up. Just make sure it goes all the way down flat, and usually it'll pick those up. Yep, and it goes down. And I would just hand tighten it, hold it with your finger, hand tighten that, and then tighten down the thumb screw on it, and that'll come down and make contact with the bottom of the RAM mount, and just snug it. That's all you want. Don't crank it down, you'll mar this up and everything. So that's all there is to attaching it. And then you can get multiple different size arms for the size ball you're using. This is the smaller size, which is pretty well a standard on the small for phones and that. And that'll clamp on, and then that will then, for us, we can clamp that onto our boats, and I can clamp it onto this vehicle here, or command vehicle, and it'll clamp onto a ball on the roof. So it makes it real easy. And if that is on and you want to use it on the ground, all right, you've got a built-in, you just take that, set it out about like that, tighten it up, and that's going to give you that little bit of a down tilt on the back of it, just like the little kickstand does. And you could just lay it on the ground, use that to give it that little bit of kick out. So whole bunch of different applications. You can use that to mount it onto other types of mounts, and suction cups. I don't know if I trust. They might be good for temporary, wouldn't move. We use this on the boat in motion, but we do recommend putting a safety on any kind of antenna you're putting on the roof, unless it's in a very sturdy. And this one here, we use on the boat, and all we have to do on that is we can do a twist on here and double loop that around so that won't come off of there at all. And then this can be looped around on the back of the boat, or on a roof rack. You can wrap that, push the other end through here, and make a snare, and you've got a safety. Just, you know, these cords can pull out if it comes off. Don't rely on this. They seem like they're very hard to pull, and they are hard, and I think that'll be a future failure problem on these cords, is people unplugging them and pulling on the cord, because there is not a lot of plastic to grab right on the plug. So just keep that in mind. And you can get a whole big variety of different lengths and sizes and other types of mounts. You can get clamps and all kinds of different ways of hooking that on the. We just use another one of these mounts with that slotted bolt setup, and that'll go into a slot on a lot of the roof racks, you know. So a lot of flexibility, great way to mount them. Okay, we're gonna use the RAM mount to put our Starlink Mini up on top of our command unit, and we're using a short arm to clamp that on. Just tighten it up loose, and get the top ball to drop in. And we're gonna bring it over this way, because we want to be a little bit more this direction. And it's nice and quick and easy. We could adjust it for any angle so we can get it aligned to the best position going by the app. And we'll take a look at that. Thank you for watching. Please be safe and press on, and hit the like button if you do, and subscribe if you would. That helps us out meet our minimum of 500 that we're trying to shoot for right now, and 1,000 will be the next one after that with YouTube. Have a great day.